Module 5, Reading for Pleasure. Exercise 3, page 53. 1.
The hero of this novel is James Bond, a clever and stylish spy. Bond is sent by the British Secret Service to investigate Auric Goldfinger, a gold-obsessed criminal. Bond must find out how Goldfinger is moving huge amounts of gold around the world without anyone knowing. To find out, he must get deep into Goldfinger's secret organization. He does all this with the classic James Bond style.
2. The story follows a hobbit called Frodo in a land called Middle-earth, as he and a group of his friends, including 3 more hobbits, 2 men, a dwarf, an elf and a wizard, try to stop the Dark Lord Sauron from taking over their land. To do this, they must destroy a precious ring that once belonged to him. 3.
This novel follows the genius detective Sherlock Holmes as he tries to find out the truth about a mysterious hound. When he goes to investigate the strange death of Sir Charles Baskerville, he hears about the legend of a huge dog that haunts the Baskerville family. He and his close friend, Dr. Watson, must hurry to solve the case before it is too late.
4.
The book tells the true story of the Apollo 13 moon mission. The film follows Jim Lovell, Jack Swigert, and Fred Haise, 3 American astronauts on the 3rd mission to the moon. At first, everything goes well, but in the second part of the journey, an oxygen tank explodes. Suddenly, the astronauts are in great danger, and Captain Jim Lovell contacts Houston to ask for help. He and his crew must find a way to survive and return to Earth.
5.
A young farm girl from Kansas lives with her uncle, her aunt, and her little dog Toto. One day, a huge tornado lifts up her house, and when she wakes up, she is in a strange land. A good witch tells her that if she wants to get home to Kansas, she has to go and find the Wizard of Oz. On her journey back home, she makes many friends and has lots of adventures.